Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my casual planner, which is Deep Botanicals, and it is the classic size happy planner. So today we're going to be planning for the week of April 24th through the 30th. So the official last week of April. I pulled out a couple things. So I pulled out the sticker book called Blushing It. It's super elegant. It's very subdued. And I also pulled out the PET tapes, so PET tapes from Rong Rong. I pulled out the one called Enchante, which is very like French, and a lot of it is the line art, which I love, with the girls, so I can go ahead and use that and add that into the spread. I think that might be fun. So first thing first, I pulled out a few quotes from the book, and it says keep going and keep growing and be kind and be brave. And then I got this beautiful get it done sticker with a checklist, and all of it is in these peach tones. It very much reminds me of the sticker book of Teresa Collins that Happy Planner made with her. So all of this is very positive affirmations. And then I'm adding some of these to-do list stickers that are full-size boxes. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to grab one of the girls from the pad tape and see how that's going to look. I think it looks great. So I'm going to keep going. So here we go. So I got another one of them, and I'm putting it on the top of Monday. And that one is in brown line art, which is great. Looks great. And then I'm going to put the Eiffel Tower in my sidebar. And we are rolling in a very French fashion here. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and look for a few more stickers to add here. I'm going to be adding some of these little ones for mostly my work schedule. So Monday through Thursday, I keep track of the hours I worked. So that goes on to Monday through Thursday. So I'm going to place one on top of Monday above her head. Yes, I know. Hopefully it doesn't fall on her. So here we go. There's that one. And they're going to be in various colors. I'm going to be bringing the black, the peach, and the browns in this spread together. I think that's going to look fantastic. But we will see the finished product, because that's always so hard to tell when planning what it's going to come out like. And sometimes I like when I design something and then I'm not as enthralled with it when I'm done, and vice versa. Sometimes I don't like the spread, but after I write with it, it's like, wow, that turned out really good. So you never know. You just gotta keep trying, right? So I'm gonna pull a few more boxes to add to the spread, and hopefully that will balance itself out. I would like another box that says get it done and be similar, but I don't think I'm gonna find that. So I'm adding the brown dye I showed you into the spread, and I hopefully it will balance itself. So that's all I can hope for. Okay, and I added a lighter one to the spread, and hopefully all of it will work out. Okay, and let's add this. I need more. I don't know where to put them, so I just need to figure out what I need. I'm looking for another one too that says like get it done or something like that, but I don't see it. So I'm just gonna work with what I have. Oh, maybe I can do one of these like rounded ones. But I do want to add some headers as well. So that might be a nice combo to add both. So I'm gonna add this big checklist on Friday for this week. I think that might balance out that get it done slightly, not fully, but enough. Okay, so I am grabbing headers. I'm gonna put headers above some of these boxes because I want them to look. I like my spreads to be full. If you guys watch me and plan with me, you probably already know that for a lot of my spreads, I like to have them pretty full, and that one is gold foiled, so it's not showing up. So sorry about that, but it does say to do. I'm gonna grab another one and put it up here, and then figure out what else I want to put in here. Again, that book, the Blushing It, is such a functional book. The moment Happy Planner came out with them, they were like sold out, so I was able to grab a second one of these through Amazon a while back, but they're super awesome. So this one is just pink hearts that I'm adding to the bottom of the page to bring that pink all over the page. So I'm going to do that on both sides and just do lots of pink because how cute. Okay, perfect. And these are obviously scaled for the Happy Planner, so I don't even need to cut anything, which is perfect. I'm just gonna make sure it's laying straight. Okay, so I have boxes Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. I need something for Monday. I need something maybe for Sunday. So let's see. I'm gonna put some of these quotes because I really do like them. Focus on the now. So that's gonna bring that brown to that page. We're gonna put same thing on here. I really do like that quote. I want to be more present, so it's a good quote to have. I can and I will. And then this one, find joy in today. And I don't know where to put that one just yet, so I'll figure it out. Okay, what should I do next? Like the left side is much fuller than the right side, so I'm gonna be filling it in for sure. I just don't know like where to put some stuff that I need. And I can't find the stuff that I need, so it's another thing. Okay, let's keep going. These bullet points are kind of fun, and I contemplated them for like a minute. And this book has so many quotes, and it's again so elegant and just very girly. I'm gonna take one of these black boxes to bring in the black. I'm gonna put it on Monday night, and I'm gonna put find joy in today right next to the Eiffel Tower. I think will work, and then I can put that to do right above that box, like so, and that works for me at least. Let's look at this lovely, lovely tape. I'm gonna cut off the excess that I already used because I used quite a few. So this is Enchante again from the Wrong collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a bicycle. I don't know where. Maybe up here. I'm gonna add that bicycle. Life is a journey, right? I'm gonna add some more girls. Look at that one. She's just so lovely. So I want to add that same color of brownish to the side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's add her. I don't have this book or the sticker pack. I wish I did. It looks lovely. I think I missed that release or something. I'm not sure how that happened, but it did. So now I'm going to add that one to here because she fits just so perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. I love her hair. It is so cute. So I don't know where to add her, whether to add her on Wednesday or Saturday, but let me see if I can add another thing. Maybe I can, maybe I cannot. Let's see. I'm just looking through these. The striped washi is also so much fun. I would love to use that too one day. So I will be using this book in the future again. Sometimes when you have as many books as I do, it's hard to remember what you have, and you have to remind yourself. So I'm going to add another box up here. And then another box up here. I'm just going to kind of fill in my spaces where I need to do. I'm going to add one to Sunday as well, so I can write my plans in. And then let's add the girl. Look at this. The color matches and it's so beautiful. It just worked out perfectly. And now I can focus on the small details and add a couple little things. Or maybe not even. I think I'm okay with the way this looks right now, so I'm going to leave it be, pop it back in my planner, and enjoy planning next week. But thank you so much for joining in decorating this, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!